All right. Hello, everyone. Lou here again. Uh, we were supposed to have recorded the second episode of the Ash Neutral podcast. Unfortunately, due to scheduling differences, mainly in preparing for the upcoming ProQuest over the weekend, local ProQuest over the weekend, we were not able to record episode 2. So, instead, you guys get an unboxing video of a Dynasty. I actually got a case of this. I've opened one box. This is the second box. So far, no hits on the first box. And if you're worried about the episode 2, we intend to record it on Thursday. So you get double videos this week. I should be able to upload it Friday morning to maybe Saturday morning, although hopefully Friday morning because Saturday is already ProQuest. Already attending a ProQuest locally. So, yes. All right. So, let's get this box cracking. The chase cards we are hoping for is a Crown of Dominion, maybe a Marvel, because I only have a CF1, a Rainbow Foil one. And there are other, even if I get a Rainbow Foil one, there are others that are local dromides that are trying to find their own or to get their own. Okay, fix it there. Okay, all right. Let's start. First pack. Yeah. Okay. I'll skip all of this stuff and we'll just go straight to the notable finds. Huh? Nothing here. Just three rares. Separating the foils, the commons. Put the hits here, the bottom, if any. Hmm. Commons, common foil. Oh, we got a majestic. Deadeye. Okay, that's not too bad. Put the majestics there. Should be good since there are people who are now trying to build Azalea because of, sorry, Azalea because of Justin's recent win. Oh, another majestic. Mind State of the Tiger. Ninja, mostly Benji's. Really, not really like that. Another card here, right? It's too thick. One card. Oh no, that's, nope, my mistake. It does feel thicker. Weird. Weird print quality. Okay. Next one. Box up here. Okay. Try to get through this quickly because I don't want the video to be super long. Oh, a rainbow blue. Rumble Pulse. You intend to build a or add rather upgrade my dash, my blitz dash deck. So that's the thing. One. Oh, we got a majestic eradicate. Nice. Nice. That is a nice card to have there. Mm-hmm. Oh, I mixed up. Oh no, wait, no, there. Oh, rare tiger, Terran Shuko, and casting tranquility. Eradicate. Hmm. I do know some arachnes, but they should be complete. I have no plans to build them, so not really so far, but who knows? Maybe we can trade it or sell it locally. Okay, another common form. Prayers, blessing of steel and blessing of immunity. Okay, next box. Next up. Next. Ooh, reincarnate oil. Okay, that there's a couple of rare oils. The last one though, I did get the last box. I did get like 3 rainbow majestics, so it might not be spectacular, but it is something. Get a shred. Majestic key. That's from the red desert. I already have one, and to be honest, it is a good one because I honestly believe this is better than the chromite dust. I know it's probably a hot take. I haven't used the chromite dust yet. I can see why people would want to use it. Personally, I would prefer the unpoppable surprise Vincerakai than the foil majestic. Full wave harpoon foil. Okay, no, this one is good. This one is good. People would want that. I would want that actually from my dash deck. I already have 2 though, so might sell it, might not. We'll see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Foil spell freight tiara. Okay, not too bad. And just 2 rares. Eden trackers. 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 So they're trying to build up for their scat skins. Build up resources for their scat skins. Foil. Rare. The majestic. Oh, Pulsing Harpoon regular. Okay, now this one I'm definitely selling. Okay, that's good. I probably need to update my for sale list locally. Now, for those who might be wondering why I'm opening Dynasty, because I don't really need anything here for Dromai, because Dromai isn't the only hero I play. I already mentioned I play Dash on Blitz. There are mechanologist stuff here, and I do plan to build a Tekla even though I know he's not good. He sucks right now. But the concept of a Vossen is just so fun. Reincarnate, under rare blessing of. But I had a friend who has a lot of cases decide to just dispose of his stuff. And he offered me a very good payment plan to offset this. So I decided to just take it. It's a good deal. It's a good offer. Decided to take it. I could use some of the mechanologist cards here. Rare, blessing of continuity. Another rare. And another rare. Okay. We're halfway through the box, I think. So far, decent hits. Decent hits. The full save harpoon, I might sell. I don't know if I'm gonna sell the foil one. I might do that because I one day it's part of my dash plan. Full save harpoon. Okay. Other. Oh, double foils. And another. My son let it pop in, or pop out of the room. Spider's Bite for cracking players. Rainbow Foil Blessing 2. Rare. Oh, Quicksilver Dagger. I was thinking of running a Quicksilver Dory list. Impressive. Now, other than the case, the two other boxes of Dynasty that I have, I do have an incoming case of Bright Lights. Mentioned, I am building a Lavosen. So we could also crack that next time. Thinking that every time we miss episode, I can crack a box as a makeup, as a way to make it up to you guys for uh, us missing our publishing schedule. That we will apologize. I apologize now. I'm sure I'll be apologizing again in the future. We are doing this more as a side thing. Uh, Started doing the podcast more for just sharing our thoughts, and it helps us work through potential text brainstorm. Nobody wants Nobody wants that. I still have one brainstorm in my for sale binder. Nobody's getting. There was a brainstorm Kano list that was just more fun slash meme. Right. So, looks like we hit the stride for this box. So just a rainbow pulse wave harpoon and a pulse wave harpoon is a worthwhile majestics. Worthwhile hits so far. I know that you should claim the good stuff, but to be honest, yeah, I'm not really feeling it. Well, we are getting several scramble pulses, which dash players and mechanologist players would want to have in their deck. It's a pretty decent card since it lets you weaken the equipment blocks. Oh, we got a CF and trackers. That might be worth a pretty penny. Put that there since that's the code. Hearthstone Wizard. Put the top card of your deck. You may put it in the bottom. Create a ponder token. Okay. Uh, that there. Remember, I saw a room check and I just didn't separate it. So I'll sort through it later. Okay, let's see. Another drill shot, blessing of steel. Not sure if Azalea runs real shots. I think he does. Bumped up drill shot, probably against Bravo or Warrior matchup. Maybe. Not rich. Here packs. Ah, okay. Okay. Last pack. Ah, second to the last pack. Surgical extraction. This would have been worth so much before the Dustin Gun reprint, but that is a good thing because at least that means that card is not overpriced for what it's actually worth. Alright, last pack. Hmm. So not a lot of good hits for this box, but hey, that's how it works. And we do still have two more boxes to open in the future. Oh, Ratney, okay, I'll take it. Ooh, RF Ponder token. That here. Yep, just two rares. Alright, so just to recap, uh, Cold Foil is a beaten trackers. We got an interesting RF Ponder token. For the we got a Rainbow Foil, Pulse Wave Harpoon, got uh, Adult Arachne, Surgical Extraction, Brainstorm, another Pulse Wave Harpoon that's non-foil, the Dust from the Red Desert, Eradicate, Mind State of the Tiger, and a Dead Eye. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please expect the second episode of the podcast to be uploaded and available by Thursday or Friday. Um, if you enjoy, if you enjoyed these box crack and want to see more, please do like, subscribe, and give me your feedbacks and comments. I highly appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.